The task force raided the illegal petroleum depot as part of measures to clamp down on illicit fuel siphoning. The illegal petroleum depot located at Kumasi in Kumasi is suspected to siphon fuel products to some members of the public and government officials. Barrels at the facility were found stocked with petroleum products illegally sourced from an unknown destination. Some people visit the facility to purchase the siphoned fuel products at cheaper prices.
So we are told by security agencies that when the registered tanker vehicles load the fuel from the bulk supply point, they enter here nicodemously, and then the part of the fuel is siphoned into these barrels. So you can see barrels full of diesel here, half full diesel, and these tanks that are scattered here, that is where they siphon the fuel and put them in for reselling to members of the public who come in here to buy it at a cheaper price. This is where they retail fuel in gallons. So you can see the gallons here. This is diesel, we are told. And so a gallon of diesel sold illegally here goes for 44 Ghana cedis.
Some fuel tanks and trucks found inside the facility were seized by the task force. One of the suspects, who has been in the business for close to 7 months, spoke to Love News.
And I'm saying you're filling station in Tino. Well, we can intimate so 13.5 for tanker Cassiano. Ebi am betu mabu hu usu pebi, mesumi pebi, papa pebi. To lodi, unse tankers also be free. Tema ana takura de air bahase no. Un penem 4-5 ana 9,000 air ba. Nti eye drained. Mo be drain se mo so benye bi ato. Ti mo nye bi to a na che se ahe na mo de be kwa kogu. Nti mo pegidie ni. So because we betuma de agu obi a na okoka che se load na koduru on sika na aye basa. Te aban ka che se etie mra de a menenu ntimi challenge by wonu mum na ebe ka che se ade na wo ye ni se uye ni se. Unya ni sa na wo se uye ni se dia menja o.
The NPA will not immediately comment on the soup, but sources indicate the facility has been on the radar of the security agencies for a long time. Reporting for Joy News, Erastus Asaredonko, Kumasi.